Excellent tips to help you make money online. How can I make money online like all my friends and family are? What sort of opportunities are there on the internet to make money? Can I easily and quickly turn online opportunities into profit? Read on to find out how best to start making money in the online marketplace. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Don't quit your day job until the online money-making opportunity you're looking into starts paying off. While it could prove to be a jackpot, you don't want to risk being up the creek if it's not what you were hoping for. Always have enough money in the bank for a few months of bills, just to be on the safe side. Freelancing is a great way to work online. There are a number of sites that will allow you to log on and put in an idea or proposal. Buyers then search the available options and figure out what they would like to purchase. Freelancing is best suited for skills that involve things like programming and data entry. When you are in a hurry to make money, watching about the topic may seem frustrating. The fact is that the more you know, the faster and better you will be at bringing in income. This video has given you the foundation you need, so build on it with experience and more learning. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.